Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for November 15th, 2024. It is 11:30 and the SPX is down over 1% to 58.82. It is most certainly bearish out here, breaking some key levels, most notably our flip of 59.45. This is the transition above dealer flows supportive, below dealer flows destabilizing. We also took out 5,900 and the implied low here early in the morning. Sharp move down, spike in volatility, VIX up about 9% at this time. Finding some support at 58.75, a little bit of a bounce here, but starting to roll over. Upside at this juncture is really dependent on a vol down environment. Absent vol contraction, these pops are going to get sold into. Now, if we do break 58.75, it opens the door to 58.50 is really the next major gamma level. There is also a big gap on the downside. This is the election gap. So zooming out to the 1 hour, huge gap from 58.65 down to about 57.83. There's also going to be, there could be some micro support in this zone here before we reach 58.50. 0DTE options volume has the max put at 58.80, so simply the strike with the highest 0DTE put volume, followed by 58.60, so may see some support there, followed by 58.50. Quite a bit of put volume in this zone. As far as the upside goes, 59.20 is the max call, the strike with the highest 0DTE call volume, followed by 5,900. Going over to our gamma charts, we are below that transition, 59.45, all strikes negative. That is destabilizing for the market price. In this environment, dealers sell weakness by strength, creates just more volatility in both directions. And generally, when you're below that flip, you do want to approach the dip buy with a little bit more caution because it is deemed bears in control. Today is monthly option expiration with around 20% of open interest set to be removed. Mostly calls, which did expire here on the AM, but we also have PM settlements, so there may be incentive for dealers to push price to that big 5,900 handle. And I think the AM expiration was 59.10. That was the settlement price. And oftentimes the market likes to revert back to that AM settlement price for the PM. Obviously, it's very bearish out here, so most certainly be cautious if you're buying the dip today. Bears are clearly in control. I'm ending the week green of $5,490, 12 trades, 11 winners, 1 loser, and 1 question mark here. And that is some short puts. That's underwater here this morning. Now, I've defended it successfully here with some long puts on a break of 5,900. However, there's a good chance I'm going to have to roll this or perhaps cut the trade if we do get that back test of 5,900. Before today, I was playing primarily long calls. Buying those dips Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Also selling some call credit spreads up around that 6,015 handle. All worked out. Not really any problems except for today. But overall, regardless of the outcome of this trade, it is a positive week. If you want to know what to expect next and gain access to our market analysis, trade ideas, and education, visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com.